Okay, so I'm showing you how to do a simple basic crimping without crimp pliers. This is helpful for people that have bad eyesight, trembling hands, or just who don't have crimp beads. I mean, crimp pliers, crimping pliers. So here's some crimp beads right here. So I'm just gonna pick up. I have a double-stranded waist bead. I have a double-stranded waist bead. So I'm gonna pick up one of my crimp beads here. You just pick it up, okay? This is really easy. Stick it on the rope. I'm recording. Take the tip, push it through. See, look. Hold it like that. Take the tip and push it through the top. And you just pull it through till you have the size loop that you want. See? Then you just squeeze it. I squeezed the crimp bead. It's not in focus. Can you see that? See, it looks flat. Okay, that's it. Cut off the excess. Okay, flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. You want to slide it and make sure that you don't have any loose, space, gaps in the string. No gaps, no gaps. Just have everything pushed down. Everything is already pushed down. I had a knot on this end so that nothing would fall out, so I'm just undoing that. Hey, there's music in the background. Some copyright issues. So this video better post and upload without any issues. Do not own the rights to any music playing in the background, nor do I care about it. These songs. It's the mall's music. The mall is playing it. So again, pick up a crimp bead. Stick it on there. It's really small. I just dropped it. See? Okay. Just stick that on the rope. I have a double strand, so I stick it on both. Put it down to the bottom of the bead, or whatever. Push it all the way down till it's on the bead. Then I'm going to bend both of my strings, since I have two going through this waist bead. These beads, I'm going to bend them both simultaneously. I'm treating it as if it's one string. So if you have one string, this is all you do. Please don't say, what do I do if I'm only using one string? You bend it and push it through the crimp bead. One string, two strings, three, four, it doesn't matter. It's just all you're doing is bending it and pushing it back through. Okay, I like to have a small loop like that. Flat pliers that don't have any teeth or grooves in them. I'm gonna make sure this is on the screen, even though it's not challenging. I am going to squeeze that. That's all I did. Now it's flat. You can take scissors, cutters of any kind, and cut off little excess as close to the crimp bead as possible. You can do that with 2 crimp beads at a time, or 1. Something depends on what mood I'm in. I usually use 2, but not for huge projects where I have to make 50 items. It just depends. But if you crimp well enough, you don't have to use 2 crimp beads, but you can, which simply means putting 2 of them on the string, bending the string, and putting it through both crimp beads, squeezing both crimp beads at the same time. That's all that means. So the mall's about to turn the lights off. It's going to be dark in here. So that That to me is a very simple process. Hopefully it looks simple to you in the video. Good luck.